How's it going? Got some construction going on outside today, but I gotta work on my truck and do the other side brake hose. I did my passenger side brake hose and now I gotta do my driver's side. And it's a nice cool day. I thought I'd do it. Why don't we show you what my shed looks like? It is quite the mess right now. We got this lock here. Crack that open. So I really got to get in here and clean up and organize. It is such a mess. Yeah. Downfall of not having a garage. So there is my workbench. I haven't been in here to clean it in weeks. It's a project I will be getting to soon. Got a bunch of oil I gotta take to AutoZone and dump. This has just been teetering on here. That's gotta get dumped. But yeah, pretty much gotta move the lawnmower in and out every time. And downfall living in a trailer park. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna start getting all my tools around and head over to the truck. And yeah, we'll start tearing into that. Alright, I'm going to throw it on time lapse and get all set up. You can see how many trips I have to make back and forth to the shed. That's always fun. Someday I'll get a garage, right? Hopefully it'll go smooth. Enjoy the time lapse. Alright, we got this new brake hose from Advance, and this one is the original, so who knows how long before it fails. I did the other side because the caliper was sticking and it really didn't look that bad of shape. Crazy how bad those internal bits of the rubber can just block it off over time. So let's rip into this bad boy. Nice and fresh. That's awesome. Gotta love new parts. Alright. That's the right hose. I'm not going to bore you with the details. I know I've got, well, the bolt here, it holds it onto the caliper. the bracket bolts right here, and then behind there is the brake line going right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe shoot some PP blaster on that and start changing her. Throw a time lapse up for you guys. Now the hose is in. I got one of these hand vacuum pump kit things. At least get it started and see how much air we can get out of this caliper. Don't know, never had greatest luck with these. They work most of the time all right. Get her to fit over this. Probably gonna pop out there, but it's hard to get over that. Like this small of a tube. I'd much rather have someone punch or step on the brakes and do it this way. Pumping this thing 100 times. It's not fun. A helicopter coming through. I don't like this. Oh, I'm gonna wait until the wife comes home and we're gonna just use the brake method. Yeah, that'll be better. Hey, while we wait for Crystal, I'm gonna mow my lawn, so we'll get some bee footage of that. So it's been super dry here. It's like I haven't mowed this in like a month. We're in Minnesota. It's rained twice, I think, in the last month. So, well, enjoy a time lapse of that. Just try and take up some time. that's it. Everything's put back together. It ran all right on the test drive. Went together pretty smooth. So we'll see you next time.